Hello, welcome to this lesson of Mastering Java. Here in this lesson, we're going to continue working with the math class in Java, and I want to make sure you understand that as we use a lot of the functions in math, there are some important numbers that are already built in as constants that you'll be having occasion to use a lot. For instance, the number pi comes up all the time in math, and you learn in math class that that's 3.14. Well, really, when you learn a little more about math and what pi really means, you'll understand that pi is a number that goes on forever and it never really stops. So it really goes way beyond 3.14, 159, and then it goes on and on and on to more and more decimal places. Well, if you have a program that requires the use of this number pi, it's kind of a pain to write this number 3.1415926, whatever, and keep typing those numbers over and over again. I could assign a variable just to hold that pi value and then use the variable, but actually it's already given to us. So let me show you what that is. System.out.println, okay, there is a built-in constant always available to you for the number pi. So as always, it's part of the math class, so we reference it with capital M, and then we do for math, and then we do a period, and then you can actually see here that it's trying to tell us that there's pi, which is a double precision number. There's also e, which is another constant we'll talk about in a minute. And here, of course, the other functions that are a part, or the other methods that are a part of the math class. So if you do capital PI, notice it'll italicize it for you, and that lets you know that it recognizes it. So all we're going to do is print out the value of pi, and you can see all the decimal points here. Of course, the real value of pi goes on and on and on forever, millions and millions of decimal places, but for most calculations, this will be perfectly fine to use. So instead of creating a variable and looking up in a book what a good value of pi is, all you have to do is do capital math.pi anywhere as a variable anywhere, and it'll work just fine. Now, as you study